Hi guys, instead of selling your digital products on Gumroad that will take from you different fees, especially if you want to make your digital products appear on a discovery page to get found on this marketplace, you've got to increase these fees. For example, you can make them 40 or 50%. In addition, there are different products that are not allowed to sell on Gumroad, such as PLR and MRR products, unless you want to get banned from this platform. So in today's video, I'm going to show you a beautiful alternative where you can sell your digital products with no strings attached and with no fees, and for sure for free. This amazing platform that is Beacons.ai, one of the best free link in bio builders where you can promote your products, your YouTube websites, and so on for free, and for sure you can sell your digital products as you want. Therefore, I'm gonna show you how you can create your store where you can sell your digital products for free, and the best places to get your digital products to sell on this amazing platform. So first of all, just you can head over to this sign up button and create your account here on Beacons.ai to create your link in bio, adding your username. You can select any niche you want that you can work in, and you get some digital products like for fitness, for self-improvement, and so on. Then you can select your theme and the colors of your page, and then go to this home page of your account. Here you can find different features on this link in bio, where you can build your website or landing page, or create a media kit, or you create your digital products, or you can promote some affiliate products, and so on. So now we can go to link in bio section, and here you can find in this preview, you can insert in this landing page any link you want to promote. So here you can find this header and this links of your website, your YouTube or affiliate products, and then you can find this option to create your store where you can sell and promote your digital product. So now you can click over this section, and that takes me to this page. Here you can sell your digital product, whether it is a downloadable one, or an appointment, or course, or membership. One of the best things here on Beacons.ai that you can import your digital products from any website, like from Gumroad or Etsy, and so on. Just you can enter the link of your product, then it grabs anything like description, title, thumbnail, and so on. Or you can connect your Beacons.ai landing page to your Shopify store to import your products. Anyway, just you can go over here, and now you can click over this one digital product if you want to promote one of these downloadable items. So click over this one, and here you can insert the details of your product. So we can begin with this one title. Here you can find this editable or customizable. You can add your title of your product. And as for this pricing one, so you can find different pricing options like set price, whether it is 5, 10, 20, and so on. Pay what you want, as you can find on Gumroad, or mark as on a sale, as you see. So you can find here, you can insert this original price. It could be $10, for example, and sale price like $5. Of course, it grabs many sales because many people want to take advantage of this sale price. Or you can find this one, make a product free if you want to give freebies, and so on. One thing left here on this pricing section, that is discount code. Here you can create your own discount code to give away for your followers, your members, to grab many sales in a limited time. So now we can go back here and go to description, where you can insert your description as you see, or you can generate it with AI. And here you can find a beautiful thing here on Beacons. It gives you a beautiful formula where you can actually use to describe your product. So you can go back here, and as for media, or the thumbnail of your product, or you can embed a video perfectly. Go back, and it comes to product files. You can upload your files here as you want, or you can import it from a specific platform like Gumroad and Etsy and so on. Go back. You can find some optional sections like order pump. You can actually offer another product with a discounted price to get more sales as you want, like a bundle and something like that. This limit product sales affiliate share, so you can actually make an affiliate network to make some members to work for you to promote this product and get sales. SEO settings, okay, call to action button, ask a question, and so on and so forth. Then you've got to connect your store with a PayPal and Stripe account. So when you're done with your product, as you see, just you can publish and get your store with your amazing product for sale. So here you can actually create your store to sell your digital product with no fees, with no complications. And the best part here, as I mentioned earlier, here you can create on Beacons.di a landing page or a link in bio, where you can promote anything you want, whether it is affiliate product, YouTube, websites, stores, and so on. So you can promote anything in one place for free. Where you can get the digital products to sell here on Beacons.ai. There are different amazing websites. One of them is checklist.gg. It's a beautiful website where you can find here hundreds or thousands of checklists and planners in different topics in different niches, as you see. So many people love checklists to do different tasks to reach their purpose and their goal. So here you can find thousands of these free planners here in this section, or you can go to some done for you templates, or you can create your own one using AI. So first of all, just you can go to this button, get started. It's free. Then it would be taken to this page where you can make and create your checklist. So here you can go to this button, new checklist, and you can find different three options. Either you can create from scratch, just you can add your tasks as you want that you can get from ChatGPT or from your own, or create using template ready or done for you or customizable template, or you can use a third option to create your checklist using AI. Click over it and you can find some different sample prompts. Okay, and now we can ask this amazing tool to create a checklist about anything you want, that comes to my mind right now. How to grow faster and better on Pinterest. Here you can find this option, add subtasks for each item. So just I leave it and click over this button, generate a checklist. Amazing, here you can find this checklist. It consists of different tasks to grow bigger on Pinterest. Like create your account here, optimize your Pinterest profile, join and participate in a relevant group posts, engage with your followers, use creative and attractive pins, and much more. And of course you can actually delete one of them as you want, or you can generate many of these tasks using AI as well. If you're done and you're happy with your checklist, just you can view it as you observe. Then you can download this checklist from this, or you can go to this PDF file. That would be like this one. So the first website to create your checklist about anything, about any topic, just in few seconds, that is checklist.gg. The second website quickly, that is for sure, is canva.com. Here you can create amazing and hundreds of these digital products, like tracing, coloring books, planners, journals, and much more. So for example, you can go to this search bar and look for something like planners. Here you can find tons of these done for you planners where you can actually customize it and make it unique for you, and then download as PDF file ready to sell as digital product. different planners, different themes that are suitable for different topics and many niches. And the third website to get your digital products that are allowed on Beacons DI, unlike Gumroad, for sure is freeplrdownloads.com, where you can find a plethora of ebooks for free in different niches as you want. So for example, if you go for finance niche, you can find a set of these free ebooks ready for you to utilize as your own, as you observe. So if you select this one, Empowered Through Wealth, MRR license, and you can download it for free. However, you've got to change something in this ebook, like the cover, add some chapters, some ideas from your own to make it unique and fresh new. So here in this video, you got to know amazing alternative to Gumroad to sell your digital products and different places to get these for free with no effort at all. So by the end of the video, thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, you can leave in the comment section. See you in the next video.